Hello beautiful people, and welcome back again to my YouTube channel. How you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing well. As for me, I'm doing great. If today is your first time of coming across my video on YouTube or coming across my channel on YouTube, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification bell so that when I upload any video, you will be the first to get notified. In today's video, I have a beautiful bride here. We are about to do a bride nails, and these nails came out so pretty. Okay, I'm just pushing back the cuticles. After pushing back the cuticles, I'm gonna go with the cuticle cutter and then push back and then cut cuticles. Okay, you know, when you push back your cuticles, you need to cut those dead skin that you push back. You need to cut them off. So that's my cuticle cutter that I got on Shein. I'm just gonna carefully use it to cut all our cuticles. So guys, right now I'm gonna go with my sanding band just to take out the shine from my nails, so that when I apply my tip, it sticks on it really good. Guys, you guys just saw that. Okay, be very careful whenever you are using this electric file. Is really painful when you overfire the person's nails. Okay, so that's my tip. I'm just gonna apply it on the nails because I already sized out the tip off camera. I sized it from sidewall to sidewall just to make sure I have a perfect size for the nails. So I'm just cutting down the tip of the nails just to her length. She doesn't want it too long because she is a beautiful bride, and we're going for coffin shape. I'm just trying to shape it with my hand file. That's my Makartt hand file from Amazon. All the stuff I'm gonna link in the description box. Okay, so I'm using my sanding band to take out the shine from the tip of the nails. Okay, I'm just taking out the shine. Guys, I'm sorry if this voiceover is not coming out right because I'm very tired. I'm trying to quickly do this voiceover so I can go sleep. So those are my primers. I'm just applying my primer. First you apply the primer, and then you go in with the extra bond. You apply the extra bond. These are really good because it makes your polygel last longer. And now I'm applying the base coat. After applying the base coat, I will cure it for 60 seconds. So guys, I have my Siesta Makartt polygel nude because we're gonna go with nude and white. So it's gonna be with a touch of glitters here and there. So guys, I'm just applying the nude. After applying the nude first, then I'll cure it for 60 seconds. I slightly apply the nude from before the cuticle areas down to the tip, and then I'll cure it for 60 seconds and then apply the second layer to the nails. Let's give a warm welcome to our new subscribers. You guys are welcome to the channel. You are very much welcome. Do not worry, okay? Your candy is on the way. I do offer candies to my new subscribers, so you guys are welcome to the channel. In this channel we do polygel. As you can see, we review product, and also we unbox products. Okay, please stick around. Always watch my videos to the end. If there's any mistake, if there's anything I'm not doing right, let me know. Trust me, I will get that done. Okay, and to our old subscribers, you guys are still the best. Thank you for sharing my videos. Thank you for always liking and commenting. I appreciate you guys a lot. For the newcomers to the channel, please always like this video, always share to your friends and family. Tell them about Nails by Laureen. If you really want to learn about doing polygel, this channel is for you. So right now I'm applying the second layer to the nails. After applying the second layer to the nails, I'll cure it for 60 seconds. Way back a year ago. So guys, I'm running with my sleep solution just to clean the surface of the nails. I usually do this so that when I start filing, it doesn't damage my file. You have to do it. Clean your polygel nails before going in with your hand file. So that's still my Makartt hand file. I'm just going to start using it to file the nails. I'm going to shape the nails. I'm going to also file the surface of the nails. Right there, I was talking to the person I was doing her nails. So I'm just going to file the nails, shape the nails, because she really wanted it very short. So that was what I gave to her. So I'm just filing the surface of the nails. I carefully do this. Do not pay attention to the speed, okay? It's very, very slow. I don't want you guys to overfile the person's name and then you guys injure the person, okay? Be very, very careful. And now I'm going to go with my cuticle file, file, just to file around the surface of the cuticle areas of the nails. I carefully do this just to make sure I don't hurt the person. So right now I'm going in with my A5 just to file the surface of the nails. I'll file the surface of the nails and also file underneath the nails. So guys, I'm gonna go in with my sanding bands. I'm just gonna use it to file around the surface of the nails. I'm also gonna use it to shape the bottom of the nails, okay? And also use it on the cuticle areas also. If you have watched till this time and you have not subscribed, what are you still waiting for? Please hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification bell so that when I upload a new video, you will be the first to get notified. So I'm just using my buffer to buff the nails. That's how the nails look right now. Hope you guys are enjoying this video. You see how pretty that nails is? This nails came out so nice. So it's time to draw the design. It was a little bit of design, it was not too much, not too crazy. She needed it so beautiful and calm, okay? So I'm just applying my top coat. After applying the top coat, I'll cure it for 60 seconds. So guys, I have my white gel liner. As you guys can see, I'm just gonna use it to draw a V French tip on that nails, which is the pinky. Then after that, I'll apply some glitters to it. As you can see, I carefully draw that. If you really don't know how to draw this, it took me time to learn how to do this. Just keep trying, give it like 1 to 2 tries or 3, you'll get it. Trust me, it took me a whole lot of time before I could do this. It wasn't easy. Even up till now, I still don't know how to draw. I still don't know how to draw designs, but I'm trying, okay? But just watch me as I do this. This was a very easy and simple. I just first of all drew the line, and then I started applying the white to the areas that I drew those lines. So I carefully did that, and then I'll add the glitter. That's my glitter from one of my polygel. No, I'm sorry, I ordered that glitter from Amazon. I'll put the link in the description box. Hopefully I still find the link. So it came from Amazon. All I did was to apply the glitter on the nails, and then I'll cure it for 60 seconds. After curing it for 60 seconds, and then I'll dust out the excess glitter from the nails. So just watch me as I do this.
I'm not falling. I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself. keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going live. Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on.
So guys, on the ring finger, I'm just gonna draw a little bit of flower. I think it's flower. I don't know what that was, but I think it's flower. So I'm just gonna draw it. I just make like 4 dots, and then I'll slightly join the dots together just to have a lovely flower. Okay, and then after that I'm gonna add the glitter on it, and then I'll cure it for 60 seconds. Then I'll apply my rhinestone. You guys are gonna see me applying the rhinestone on the flowers. So that was what I did for the ring finger. It was just a simple thing, simple design. So just relax, take your glass of wine, keep watching, and then see the end of these beautiful nails.
I'm not falling. I'll push all my chips and call all in. I'll bet on myself, you keep stalling. I hear destiny and it's calling. I'll keep my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going live. Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain.
So guys, that's my rhinestone. I have my rhinestone glue. That's what I'm gonna be using to apply the rhinestone on the nails. After applying the rhinestone on the nails, I'll cure it for 60 seconds.
Magic, believe change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago.
So guys, I have my top coat. I'm gonna apply it on all the nails, and then I'll cure the nails for 60 seconds.
Way back a year ago.
So guys, that's my cuticle oil. I'm gonna apply it on all the nails, and then you guys will see the beautiful look of these nails. When you apply your cuticle oil, you don't cure it, okay? Your cuticle oil takes out all the excess dust from the nails. Guys, can you take a moment to appreciate these nails? These nails came out so pretty, so beautiful. I love the nails, and my client love it too. Hopefully you guys also love it. If you know you do, you understood this video, you understood this tutorial, please give it a huge thumbs up and go down to the comment section to give my client a big congratulations. Okay, please do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.
Things are not the same